my name is Katie and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to brush your pet's teeth. So before we jump in and get started, I'm just going to answer a couple questions that new or old pet owners might have that just want to improve their pet's teeth, which is great. So the first question is, how often should I brush my pet's teeth? Realistically, you want to do it the same as us, which is 2 times a day, but that's not realistic. So minimum you want to do it about 3 times a week if you can get around to it. The second question is, can I use human toothpaste on my pet? The answer is no, you cannot use it. There's enzymes that are in the toothpaste that are not digestible, which makes them toxic to your pet. There's also artificial sweetener called Xylon that actually makes your pet's blood sugar level drop and can create liver damage in your pet. So you want to avoid using human toothpaste as indefinitely. How can you promote ideal dental health for your pet? Naturally, easiest thing, go to the pet store, buy dry kibble, dry treats. Those things will naturally break down what's in your dog's teeth just by eating it. Very simple. There's also Dentastix, greenies. Those help. Toys will help, like Kongs, and there's recommended dental bones that you can use. When we're speaking on the topic of toys, you do not want your pet chewing on chains, on raw bones, or rocks. That will create gum or teeth damage. Not only is it going to be costly on vet bill, but your pet will be in a lot of pain if they so happen to hurt themselves. So we want to completely avoid those toys or things going in your pet's mouth. Also, there are yearly checkups by your vet that you should be doing, and in that there are the dental examinations. When you're doing the dental examination, they will see if there's anything abnormal going on with your dog's teeth that they'll then discuss with you and deal with if there's a situation. So all those things will promote ideal dental health for your pet. How can I get my pet into brushing their teeth? So first of all, you want to start with your pet in a very relaxed setting. You don't want them to be stressed out or in a stressful environment. For example, my cat right now, he's very relaxed, so this would be a great time for him. Come here. This is my cat Chase. It's good to start them when they're young, and if you can't, that's okay. It's all about just bettering your pet's health. So if you can't start them when they're young, just used to getting petting around their neck, around their head, used to touching their face, putting your fingers in their teeth, in and around their mouth, and it will get them to cooperate so much easier and be less stressful for them to do this. Another thing, buy toothpaste that is meat flavored. Easy. You can put it on your finger, get them to lick it off. They'll love it, they'll want more, and they'll be more willing for you to brush their teeth with that substance, the toothpaste. So we're just going to jump right in and get started. Oh, last thing. If your pet seems stressed out or is fighting you completely on trying to brush their teeth, stop, leave it alone, and try again another time or another day, because we don't want them to think of this as a bad thing. We want to think of it as a positive, and that's why it's good to have a treat, a special treat for something after they're done getting their teeth brushed, because it will make it more easier for you, easier for them, and the whole experience altogether. Okay, so brushing your pet's teeth. You want to have toothbrush from your vet, your pet store, that is specifically for brushing pets' teeth. You can have ones like these, or you can have the ones that go on your fingers. You want to have your meat flavored toothpaste for your pet. You can have a gauze square to put the toothpaste on your gauze square to rub on their teeth. You can either do it with the gauze square, put it on their teeth, and then use the toothbrush, or you can just put the toothpaste on the toothbrush and brush their teeth, whatever works for you and your pet the best, as long as you're getting the job done. And then also you have your bowl of water to just rinse the toothbrush afterwards. So when you're grabbing your pets, if your pet is more willing, it's easy to grab. I'm going to do it backwards because you can't see from this side, but it's easy to grab from this way and then brushing their teeth. If your pet is more against the whole situation, it's better to hold them this way, because when you're holding their lip this way, you're also you have more control of their head. So then when you're brushing the teeth, if they're pulling back or they're giving you a little bit of a hard time, it's easier to control the situation. So when you're brushing the pet's teeth, you're going to lift the upper lip and you're going to start with the molar. And you want to go in at a 45-degree angle and go in a circular motion. And what you want to do is work your way up to the front of the teeth. And then sometimes you can either go back and work on the canine tooth, or you can go from the molars all the way to the front of the teeth. Do it on both sides. This should usually take you about 2 minutes to do. Also depends on how willing your pet is in the situation. So again, if you want, you can use the gauze square, put the daub on, rub it on the surface of the teeth, and then go back and brush the dog's teeth, and use it as needed as you go along. It's not toxic, so you can use it. The dog can literally, or the cat can lick it. So yeah, that's pretty much the basics of brushing your pet's teeth, and you just want to give them a treat afterwards. Tell them they're a good boy, good girl, pet them, make it a good experience so that it's easier for everybody each time you do it. So that is the tutorial on how to brush your pet's teeth. Thank you. Have a great day.